people ride my helicopter. So the helicopter that you see over there, it is the helicopter that was obtainable during the winter update. That now you can only obtain it by trading. And so today I'm gonna be letting other people ride my helicopter. So as you can see, I'm gonna send a party invite. That's how I'm gonna do it. So I got helicopter ride. Now let me describe it. I'm gonna type it. Copter from the winter update. I guess how I'm gonna write my description. I guess the first four people that come get to ride my helicopter. I think that's a good description. I think that's a good description. Let me just add. We'll take turns. I guess it gets cuts off. It's kind of a little too vague, but it's okay. Oh yes, so everyone in the server actually accepted. I guess only like a couple of people declined it. Yes, I've got a party invite. Oh, cool. So here's the first couple of people that are here. Now we've got to wait for more people to come. We need like a couple more people to come. We only got two people. Oh, here's a third person. Oh, I'm waiting for. Oh, I guess here are the people. Let me just tell the guests that arrived. I guess those guests are all in. Okay. I'm gonna tell them all to follow me. I guess I'm gonna tell them all my guests to follow me. So let me just enter my helicopter and wait for them to enter. Oh, the first person is here. Let me see if all the other people can get into the helicopter. I wonder how much. Oh, there's someone. I guess we're waiting. Oh, I guess the helicopter is full. That means we can start our ride. Oh yeah, I'm glad someone is already happy to ride my heli. I want to fly to. Oh, it's kind of weird. It's not letting me fly to the tunnel for some reason. But it's okay. I can always just try to figure things out. Maybe I can try like. Oh yeah, I finally got it out of the tunnel. Yeah, let's just ride the helicopter. Oh yeah, and that is it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!